What can you tell us? When should we expect something? And do we basically know most of the details at this point for the upcoming, presumably, transaction between Salesforce and Slack?
Yeah, Joe. I mean, I think by this point, we're all expecting to see something today with Salesforce's earnings, of course. You know, some of the details have trickled out in terms of consideration. It'll be a mix of cash and stock. I think price, we're expecting somewhere in, the high 20s is kind of where the valuation seems to be coming down. It'll be interesting to see exactly how the companies describe the rationale. I think there's a lot of ideas out there about what this deal would do to help Salesforce compete with Microsoft. I'm really excited to see if there's other things we're missing about what Salesforce sees in Slack.
Yes, and you expect the market to be happy for Salesforce. You expect the market to be concerned about dilution with Salesforce. Is it worth it? Is it? Do they need to do it? Do they want to do it? These are all the questions swirling around.
That's exactly right. I think the reviews have been somewhat mixed from analysts. You saw the day we broke the news last week. I don't think Salesforce's stock reacted particularly well, but I think that's pretty typical. And so we'll have to see exactly what they have to say and where the valuation lands today, and that'll give us a better sense of what to come.
So should we view Salesforce? Zach, are you back? I heard we lost you, but now I'm not sure whether you're back or not. So they told me to stick with Carrick. Are you with us now, Zach?
Yeah, I am. Thanks for having me.
What do you make of this then? Now that you are here,
I think that Salesforce over the past few years has had a very thoughtful and programmatic acquisition strategy, but they do pay up for deals. If you look, they went out and bought MuleSoft for API integration technology. Then they went and bought Tableau, business intelligence. They're looking to really diversify their offering beyond the core CRM. And to your point, absolutely try and compete with firms like Microsoft. So I think even though they're paying up for this deal, I think from a product perspective, from a cross-sell perspective, it's ultimately going to be accretive for them. And then I also wouldn't be surprised if they went out in the future and acquired more future of work tools like an Asana, for example, or something like that.
Do we have a different view about Salesforce and what the company that it wants to be? Should we think of it differently at this point, Zach?
Absolutely. We should now start thinking about Salesforce as looking to become one of the major enterprise technology players. They're looking to absolutely try and compete with Microsoft. They want to take over all aspects, I would say, of someone's work. And it's not just about CRM. It's not just about business intelligence anymore. It's now embedded in communication that people are going to have at work. And I think ultimately it's going to be about task management as well with the platform.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.